Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing this kind of really winged out, dramatic, pink and green smoky eye basically. I had gotten this glitter from Barry a couple weeks ago and I hadn't used it on myself, so I was just feeling something quite dramatic and bold. So if you want to see how I did this, then please keep watching. One eye is on. So we're basically going to be using the Stacey Marie Carnival palette. I've used this quite a few times now. And we're going in with the shade Guilty first, which is like a nice like wine colour, pinky wine colour. I'm not going to lift it up because I've hit pan on it, it looks really nasty. So we're going to take that, we're going to kind of map out the shape that we're going to be doing. So it's very winged out, very dramatic, but I'm feeling quite dramatic. So we're going to map that out, right in the crease first. And then rather than bringing it down and round, I'm going to start to taper it out the way and back into the bottom eyelid too. Now I have my foundation on already. You don't have to. If you are going to though, I suggest, I've got a little loose powder here, and just keep like a little brush and just keep, you could actually re-powder the bottom of your eye, that's probably a shout. Sorry, I'm looking at the mirror behind me. I'm going to put powder there again, so that will catch any fallout for me, and it'll just make it a bit clearer for me. So that was a little tapered blending brush a tapered blending brush I was using. Now we're going to go in with a fluffier brush and into the shade powder Foolish, which I've like scrubbed in this colour. See, Foolish is here, so it's like a kind of light pinky colour. I originally went in with Funky, which is the one above it, which was really pink, but it was too pink, if that makes sense. So we're going to take this kind of half on, half off, and really start to blend out that first shade. So get right into the inner corner here, and then as you're blending, start to kind of fade it out now. It was quite tricky to get the exact shape I wanted. Which sounds so shaky. But I got there in the end, it worked. So we're really just kind of trying to taper that right out and get it on the bottom as well. I have no idea when you will ever use this look, but you know what, I like it. I wanted to do something a little bit more creative than just your normal smoky eye. I also had that Barry and glitter and hadn't used it yet, and I was itching to use it. A little Real Techniques brush, it's actually really dirty now, but I kept dipping that into a little, this is a little powder foundation I've got from Urban Decay. You could use any face powder, but I just like the fact that this gives you that extra coverage. And what I did was kept going in to here and just softening that. I do want it really high, like it's meant to be dramatic. I wanted it really high into the brow, but you still want to blend, you know? So it's kind of just going back and forth and just really blending that. I kind of want that, like kind of, that really tapered out there, so I don't want that to go too rounded. So if you do start to go too rounded, just start to buff that back down. It's okay, we can fix it with your powder foundation. Powder foundation works a treat to do that with. What was this brush actually I was using? It was a large blending brush from Urban Decay. And to the line. Alright, so just keep that blended together. Right, looks a bit mental. She looks crazy, but it's fine. So next I'm going to go in with this, a taper blending brush again. This was a wee cheapy eBay one I think I got years and years ago. But we're going to go in with the shade, can I see? Envy, so this shade here, which is a nice matte dark green shadow. So I'm going to load my brush up with that, drop the excess, and we're going to pack that on to the lid. Now normally for packing colour on I would use a flat brush, but I mean, I do need to blend it out. So 2 birds, 1 stone, all that jazz. You could pack it on with a flat brush, then go on with a fluffy brush. This is going to be another brush to clean though, so I mean, you do the math. And we're going to take that underneath as well. And blend. Alright, so it does like kind of mantle two-tone right now, but it's fine, we'll get there. So we're going back into Guilty with that first taper brush from Urban Decay, and right where those two colours meet, we're blending. I can't really see what I'm doing. I'm going to come a little bit closer with my mirror. Okay, and then we're kind of going back and forth between these brushes now. I'm going back into the large smoky brush from Urban. I've got powder in my hair, and buff this out here because it's looking a little bit chunky. We want it really tapered out. So just really buff that out. Back in the envy, I'm a little bit patchy in there. These deep kind of green tones are really hard to blend out. Not really hard, but like they're harder to blend. So if you're using this kind of colour, just be patient with it. Build it up in small bits, blend it out, go in, do you know what I mean? I like to kind of do it in smaller parts, blend it out, add a little bit, blend another bit out, and it'll all work out in the end. It's like a wee exercise. Okay, camera cow, we're back, we're live, we're doing fine. Okay, so we're going to go in with liner now. I'm just going to be using a little Maybelline gel liner and a precision eyeliner brush. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly line this lid. I'm not going to be too fussy with it because we'll be putting a hell of a lot of glitter on. Okay, and again going with that shape. Again, don't be too fussy with your wings. I'm going to be blending this out anyway, just to get that shape. Definition. Oh, actually, I need to do right the place. I need to do my little inner bits. Inner wings. I'm not even looking at the camera. I apologise. This is so hard to do. Look at the camera. I dare you to do it. So liner's on, and I'm going to quickly take a pencil brush from MAC and go into that Envy colour, and we're going to buff away this wing. I don't want it to be black, I want it to be green. And we'll go over that with glitter anyway. But we're just taking to really give that green a nice dark, kind of smoky finish. So now we're going to go in with the glitter, the fun part. This is the Banny M, oh I've got it everywhere. Banny M Body Glitter in the shade Night Fairy. How freaking cute. I'm going to use my lip glitter, clear glitter base to put this on. This is what I use for all my glitters. You can use eyelash glue if you want, but it's quite harsh. I find eyelash glue quite harsh. It's very like, when you get it on your skin, it's quite like peely. But hey ho. So the best thing to do when using those glitters, I'm just going to empty it into the little pot. This is just a flat brush from Urban Decay. I don't like to use, it's like from an Old Naked palette. I don't like to use nice new brushes because when you do get your glitter adhesive in it, it sometimes can ruin your brush. So if you do quite like glitter looks, try and keep like one brush for your glitter and wash it right away. You can also use like the little combs, like the little metal lash combs, to comb through them, but just remember, like, you need to clean them. So first of all, soak up the glitter on the brush, the glue, sorry, on the brush, then go into the glitter. And that kind of helps it stick. Don't get me wrong, you probably will get some fallout, but not near as much as you would as if you just put glitter on, the glue on your eye, then went in with the glitter. So that is always a good little tip, so that you can see there's like barely any fallout, there's not really any at all. You're making your own kind of glitter liner. So into the glue first, soak your brush in it, then it means that when you're picking up your glitter, your loose glitter, it's really sticking on to that glue. I should probably zoom in a little bit more, that would help. And I'm also going to take the glitter out with that wing as well. Get a little bit here. Oh, Chad! And I also took it down the bottom. I'm going to go off camera and do my... That's really creepy. I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes, and I will be back in a second. Okay, so... Okay, so while I was doing my lashes drying, I did this little graphic liner, and I feel like it just makes the eye pop a bit more. I've done it using this little Urban Decay bump liner, and I put on the Urban Decay Glide On Pencil Deep End in my waterline as well, so I'll quickly just add that on. So this is the Razor Sharp liner from Urban Decay in the shade Bump, and it's really hard to get like a white liner that doesn't go like crumbly and cracks throughout the day. I can vouch for this. I wore this on shift, it did not crack. Right, steady arms, and we're just gonna go in and just cut up here. I'll lean back a bit. I've done this so like quickly. Don't know if you can see this fast. So man. So as it kind of gets to the end, I'm letting it kind of taper off. And just kind of fade away. And same with the inside. Doesn't that look better? Okay, so I just wanted to be like extra. Oh, hello. Okay, so that's pretty much the eye. The white just makes it really pop, like the contrast of that white with the pink and the green. Pop, pop, pop. I like it. So here's Mino. I think that's it. The lashes I've got on are doll lashes in the Lord. I don't know why I'm showing you the empty box. But they're nice, kind of white out. I don't know if you can see, I've always put close-up photos at the end. So it is a very dramatic. I feel kind of like almost drag-like. A wee bit Halloweeny maybe, I'm a wee bit casual myself, but I'm in it. I like it. I want to do something a little different. So if you enjoyed, please let me know down below. The usual, comment, like, subscribe, all the good things, and let me know if there's anything else that you want to see. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.